how to transfer money from SafePal to Afterpay. Hello guys, welcome to another SafePal tutorial. Of course, in this tutorial, you'll be learning how you can transfer money from SafePal to Afterpay. So the first step is to log in into your SafePal account where you can see options like coin, NFT, DeFi, etc. Now, I must let you know that transferring money directly from SafePal to Afterpay is not possible because Afterpay does not support direct cryptocurrency transactions. But you can make use of another cryptocurrency exchange that supports cryptocurrency transactions. And how do you go about this? The first step is to open the SafePal application and log in. And then once you've done that, select a cryptocurrency that you want to the cryptocurrency whose assets you would like to transfer to your Afterpay. Now, this cryptocurrency, you would have to change it to a fiat currency for you to be able to transfer it. So, you can just select Bitcoin, for example. Then, on the Bitcoin page, click on swap. And so, on this page, the next step would be for you to click on the receive box, all right, to show that you're swapping your Bitcoin to which fiat currency. So, there are other fiat currencies that you can make use of, right? So for me, I'll just be selecting USDT, which is a fiat currency. And then once you've selected it, you'll be asked to select a network. How do you want to transfer it? So after selecting the network, you'll be brought to the page where you would see the best codes and all of that. Then click on swap. And then once you click on swap, the cryptocurrencies will be swapped to that particular currency. And so once it has been swapped to that fiat currency, come back to your own page. And then once you're in your own page, the next step is for you to select the cryptocurrency that you swapped already. Then click on send. And then once you click on send and you're brought to the send page, enter in the wallet address of a cryptocurrency exchange that supports bank withdrawals. For example, Binance, we have Coinbase, etc. So once you have the wallet address, just go ahead and paste it, just like I've done here. Then after pasting it, enter in the amount of money that you would like to transfer, all of that. Once you've entered it in, scroll down, click on next, and then you'll be able to transfer the money. And then once the money gets to your Binance account, the next step would be for you to head over to your Binance application. All right. And then once you're your Binance application, move to the bottom right corner, click on your portfolio, then click on withdraw, and then select Afterpay as your withdrawal destination. Then enter in the amount, enter in your bank account details, enter in the amount you want to withdraw, confirm the transaction, and then the funds will be transferred to your bank account after the exchange processes the withdrawal. So once the funds are in your bank account, you can use them to make purchases through Afterpay. So this is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.